Hey everyone, in this quick video I will show you how to stop your PlayStation 5 from randomly ejecting discs in 2025 so you can enjoy smooth gaming without interruptions. Step 1. Check the disc, make sure it's clean and not scratched. Wipe it gently with a microfiber cloth from the center outward. A dirty disc can confuse the driver and trigger ejection. Step 2. Reposition your console. If your PlayStation 5 is standing vertically, try laying it horizontally on a flat surface. Sometimes pressure on vibration can cause unwanted ejections. Step 3. Disable the auto-ejected button sensitivity. Dust or accidental touches can trigger it. Gently clean around the eject button with a dry cloth to make sure it's not stuck or dirty. Step 4. Update your system software. Go to Settings, System, Software, Update. Sony has released patch to fix disk driver glitches. Step 5. If the issue keeps happening, power cycle the PlayStation 5, turn it off completely, and plug it for 60 seconds, then restart. This clears temporary bugs. Pro tip, if nothing works, remove the disk and use the digital mode. Temporarily, if it continues, it could be hardware fault. To contact PlayStation support. And that's it. Clean the disk, adjust placement, update the system, and reset if needed. Most of the time, one of these steps solves the problem. Thanks everyone for watching.